It's the second generation of BST203 common rail injector tester. The model type is BST203B. Compared with the first generation of BST203 common rail injector tester, the second generation one has following buttons. First one is the power button. The second one is the USB updating COM. This one is used to update the software of this machine. This button is used to connect with the main cable. The main cable can connect with the common rail injector. On the first panel of the machine has the enter and stop button. After we connect the injector with the machine and select the frequency, types, and the valve pulse, we can start to touch the start and the stop button. This model is used to select the model of the common rail injector. And these two buttons, one for the valve pulse, another one is for the counting function. So we can select between these two buttons. From here you can see is the frequency. We use the increase and the decrease button to change the finger of the frequency. And after we select the valves and the counter, from here we can see the finger of valve pulse and the counter. Use the increase and the decrease key button to change the finger of valve pulse and the counter. So from now I will do the demonstration how to use. So firstly, get the power. It's the power button. And use the main cable to connect with the injector and the machine. From the button you can hear there is a hole, and here on the upside has the hole too, so we can use the up hole to connect it. The hole on the top. And use this cable connect with the wires from another side to connect with the injector. Now connect the wire. We can touch the power key to turn on the machine. Now we can select model of the injector is the Bosch model, and is the frequency we can increase, decrease is the number 8, or we can increase to other finger as our need. And if we touch the valves button, now from here it shows the pulse valves. After we select the valve, we can touch start. Now it starts to work to test the injector. We can increase the frequency, decrease the frequency, increase the valve pulse, decrease the valve pulse. And if we touch the counter button, from here, from the valve pulse, change the counter, and we can increase the counter. Up to 1000 is for infinite. So we can do the counter from 1 to 1000. And if we touch counter and decrease together, it will change 100. If we touch counter, touch increase, it will change on the up, change 100. After we change 100, we can change from the digital. And then we can start. So it use the counter function. So pay more attention. From here we can change according to the bell pulse and the counter function. And if we want to increase the counter as the 100, we need to touch counter key and do the increase or decrease. If we want to change at the unit, we don't need to touch the counter. Just use the up and the increase and the decrease button and change to the bells. Then from here we can see the bell pulse.